Hey everyone, welcome back to the part 2 of my video where I'll be teaching y'all how to make a rock paper scissor game using Python. So I have already released the part 1 on my YouTube channel. I will be linking it on the top of the video. Please watch that, watch the whole video and then come back here since this video is a continuation for part 1. Okay, so let me just familiarize you with what I did in the part 1 of the video. So I simply created a random module where I created instances of a list, and that random module would pick up certain lists from a game. And what was present in that list are main objects for the game, that is rock, paper and scissor. Then I created an input for the user and obtained an option for the computer, and now we will continue the next part of the program. Okay, so now what happens is when we create this program, we need to show the user what is the option picked by the user and which option is picked by the computer. So for that, simply I am creating a comment and saying print, and I will just I've just copy pasted this. So what does this say? Print, and this is an f string, so you do not need to worry about it. It's simply a method used for formatting which improves the readability. That's as simple as that. So what this says is that you choose, which means the user chooses. First you want to put the f, that's the syntax for the f string, then you place your upper spaces, then you choose, then you type down you choose, and then you put a braces where you put the input that needs to be provided. So that the name of the variable was user, so I put down user here, and then in the next statement I say that computer chooses comp, which means the option of the variable chosen by the computer. So let's save this, and now let's try running this program and checking out what happens. Okay, so please choose an option. I will choose rock. Okay, so I'll remove that pass, do not worry about that. So everything is working properly. We need to see that you choose rock, computer chooses paper. So now let me just remove that. I'm sorry, that was here on line 8. Okay, so in case you guys aren't familiar with this game, how this game works, don't worry, I will explain it to you all. So what I've done is I've opened my paint app and I've written 3 words, mainly the 3 objects for this game, that is rock, paper and scissor. So rock usually has 3 options, one is rock, paper and scissor, but I will not put down rock here because it's simply be a tie, so that's common sense. But what happens with a rock and paper, so if user 1 puts rock and the user 2 puts a paper, paper wins the game. And if it's a rock and scissor, that means scissor wins the game. I'm sorry, here I will put a cross since rock didn't win, and this case scissor wins. So it's as simple. So for paper and rock, again rock will lose, and scissor and paper and scissor will have a win. Okay, so since scissor cuts a paper, it's as simple as that. Again here, scissor and paper will have a loss, and scissor and rock will have a win, because rock simply crashes a scissor down. Okay, and that's it. So this is the explanation of the game. It's pretty simple and I believe everyone know this game. So what I will do is now I will go to the main portion where I will be programming the cases and the main part of the game. Okay, so that's why I've created a main comment saying that it's a main, so that the user will understand this is the main program. Okay, so what I will say is if user is equal to rock and comp, okay, comp is equal to scissor. Okay, let me just do this, give me a while. Rock, scissor. Okay, so it's simple, the user will win it. Since a fight between rock and scissor, the rock wins it. So print you win. Okay, I will just say you win. Okay, it's as simple as that. You win. Now I'll create another case, elif user is equal to rock and comp. Okay, I will just write this down, chuck it, I'll do it the other time. User is equal to rock and computer is equal to paper. Okay, so let me type that. So now the computer wins. Okay, computer wins. Why didn't it intend it? I have no idea. It's okay. Elif, now the most easiest case, user is equal to rock and comp is equal to rock. Basically both user pick up the rock option. So then what would happen is I'll say it is a draw. Okay, so as simple as that. Let's save this program and let's run this portion of the program that I've typed down. Sublime Python run current file. So please choose an option. I will say rock. You choose rock, computer chooses paper, computer wins. So that's it. You choose a rock and computer choose paper. Since a fight between a paper and rock, paper wins, so computer wins, which means our program is working perfectly. Okay, so that's a very positive thing, which means we haven't created any issues into our program. There has been no mistakes whatsoever. So what I would do is I will just show you. Now when we create this program, everything is within the same line, so that reduces readability. So what I will do is I will simply create a line space between the first, second, third and the fourth line, so that there's a bit difference and you will come to know who has literally won the program. Otherwise you will not be able to read it well. So what I will do is I will print on this portion, and that is the last portion. I will print a slash n. So what the slash n means that the next line will be printed blank, and then after that the program will be printed. So if you don't understand this, don't worry. That was just a premium option. Let's ignore that. Okay, so let me just show you this. Back again, let me close these pages. Okay, so I will choose, this time I will try. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't try the other options because I haven't programmed them yet. So yeah, now it looks even better, much better, right? So now what I will do is I will print down all the other cases and I will explain you them. Okay, so what I did is I simply copy pasted all the lines of the code, and so I'll just take you through what I did is the first 3 lines were already printed. So let's go to this, the 25th line. Let me repeat again, 25th line. So elif user is equal to paper and comp is equal to paper, it's a draw. If user is equal to paper and comp is equal to scissor, that is comp wins. So it's basically the same thing. I believe you should try this on your own, so that you would understand the syntaxes of elif else cases, and it would improve your visuality of your program, so that you would understand it in your later whenever you try programming it again. Okay, so what I would do is I will just control S. That was okay. So I will just control S and I will save it, and let's try running this program now, because everything works perfectly fine. There's no issues now in it. So please choose an option. Okay, paper, you choose paper, computer chooses scissor, computer wins, because a scissor simply cuts a paper. Okay, so now welcome, please choose an option. So this loop keeps on happening since we have used while through. It's simply because of that this loop keeps on happening. It will never end. It's an infinite loop, because always this case is happening to be through. So it's as simple as that. Let me take you back again and let's try another option. Rock, you choose rock, computer choose paper, comp wins. So it's simple as that. So it again chooses welcome, please choose an option. So this keeps on happening infinitely. So this is great, but what if the user does not want to continue playing and wants to leave the program. So there should be an option where we can say that please do you want to continue, press yes or press no. If the user presses yes, the game continues back again. If he presses no, the program simply stops. So let's add that functionality right now into our program. Okay, so we have created all our cases. So now what we'll do is we will say repeat. We will create a variable saying that repeat and create an input, and we will say is do you want to continue, and create parentheses also, so that the user understands the available options for him to press. Okay, so y/n. So if he presses yes, the game will continue back again. In case he presses no, it will have to stop that moment. And I will also use dot capitalize over here, since the user should not, if he presses a small y, that will get capitalized to capital Y. So it's as simple as that. Now I will just simply program it. If y, basically if y, the input is y in I'm field repeat, if y in repeat, we will continue. So what does it continue to? I already explained you in the previous video that continue will again take the program back again to the top where the while through situation started. So it will again print the same user input and the program will keep on occurring. Hence that's why I am telling you all, you must see my first video and then come over here, because I explained certain concepts which have played an important role in this part of my explanation. So I believe you have seen the first video. In case you haven't seen, please feel free to watch this video. I will also be linking the video in my description, so you have nothing to worry about. Okay, else. So we will say else means it's other than y. So basically his input will be n, no. So what we will do is exit, as simple as that. So exit with a empty parenthesis, that will simply close our program. So let's control save this and let's try running this program. As simple as that. Please choose an option. Rock. You choose rock, computer choose rock, it's a draw. Okay, so do you want to continue? Yes, I will press a yes. Why did that happen? Yes. Welcome to the game. Back again. Please choose an option. I will choose scissor, since I haven't used scissor option for a long time. You choose scissor, computer chooses rock, and computer wins. As simple as that. Do you want to continue? Let's try the n condition, which means the no condition. No. Okay. Rep closed means it is done, the program is over and the compiler has finished, ended the program. As simple as that. So that's it from today's video, guys. So I simply taught you how to print and play a game of rock paper scissors in your Python program. So I believe you all try this in your computer, see the game, enjoy it, share it with your friends, and comment your responses and how you felt about this game. If you like this video and want more projects in further ahead, please like this video, subscribe, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment section which fun projects would you like, and I will surely present them to you. Until that time, stay safe. Bye for now.